we'll guide you through how to save HTML on Notepad++. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, look at your computer desktop screen. Find the Notepad++ icon among the shortcuts on your desktop so you can launch the program. Hover your cursor over the Notepad++ icon and double-click it to open the application. Allow a brief moment for Notepad++ to completely open up and wait until the main window is fully visible and ready for use. Once the window is active, type or paste your entire HTML code inside the blank workspace, making sure all of the code you want to save is included before moving to the next step. Next, bring your attention to the top left corner of the screen and press the File option located on the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear, so look for the Save As option and click it to continue. A Save As window pop-up will then show up on your screen with several locations and file options available. Look at the left sidebar panel and select your desired directory, for example, desktop, so you can easily find the file afterward. Direct your eyes down to the file name input box near the bottom of the window. Click inside the box and write out your preferred title, such as How to Save HTML on Notepad++. After entering the name, add a period followed by HTML directly at the very end of your chosen file name, so it is recognized as an HTML document. Move your mouse cursor over to the Save button positioned nearby. Press the Save button one time to create your file in the selected location. Return to your computer desktop and spot your newly saved HTML file among the desktop icons. Double-click the HTML file icon to launch it in your default web browser. A new browser tab will automatically open and is working as expected.